Assalamu alaikum. Sannun ku mutane na, sannun ku kowa da kowa. Assalamu alaikum, she means peace be unto you. Sannun ku kuma she means well done everybody. Well done wherever you are. First of all, I am a proud Hausa girl. I am proud of my tribe. I am proud that I am Hausa. Among my pride for my tribe should not cover my eyes when I see what my tribe is doing that she's not good. I will have to come out to say it, so that it does not mean I am backing wrongs. Gaskiya, it is too much. Nagaji, I am very tired. Every day I hear today banditry, tomorrow terrorism. Next tomorrow kuma I hear kidnap. And when you hear all these people that does it, she's the Hausa people. Gaskiya, I am tired. At this point, I am ashamed of my people. I am not saying this with plenty confidence. You know, how Aisha used to do. Today is a different day for me. I am very, very sad about what my people are doing. It is unfair. Gaskiya, it is unfair. It is not justice. Nobody deserve brutality. Nobody deserve you enter somebody's land, instead of you to obey rules and regulation, you attack the people on that land. It is you that will create how the people on that land is going to behave. Okay, my heart she's broke. I had again and Sheikh Gumi, the talk that Sheikh. Maybe some of you have not watched that video that Sheikh Gumi she talked, that she justified that these bandit people, these people that they kidnap. She said that the people she act on drug because they take drug, they will not act bad hacker. She was trying to give when he justify she want to justification for what they are doing. I saw that video. I was embarrassed. My mind she caught. I said, hi. One man, she is a pada. She is somebody that she have children. And how hi Allah said God have mercy on our soul. Gaskiya, if you ask me what I want right now, I do not imagine. I cannot I talk straight haka, because my heart she's shattered. My thinking she's not straight. She's corner. We have so many talk about what my people have cost the Nigerians. It is terrible. It is terrific. You have every right to say that and Hausa man is this, is that. Some people will say, oh, it's not all of them that used to do it. Like, I know my family, she's don't have hand in all of this thing. And I know a lot of families out there, Hausa family, that are very good people. But when the number of the bad ones, she's too much. The good ones, it will trample, the bad ones will cover the good ones. And the good ones, their voice will not count. So this is me. I am doing a video to beg Nigerians, please and please. This begging is not enough, but find somewhere in your heart. Find somewhere in your heart to still accommodate us. Inshallah, we the good ones, we are trying possibly to fight the bad ones. Just give us little time. Let us treat our bad eggs. Let us take away the bad eggs from our basket, then we will face you people as a people. Because right now I am ashamed. I don't know how to beg. I don't know what to say. But I just want you people out there to know that we are not in support of what our followers they are doing, our other people are doing. We are not in support of it. It is not justice. And this is not what God wants us to do. This is not us doing it. It's not everybody that is doing it. Thank you.